I have already removed my side panel, but I just set it back up there to show you what I learned. So come with me. Let me show you what I learned. There are 3 Allen bolts that take a 4.5 millimeter Allen wrench to remove. One's on the top right here, one's on the front right here, and one is on the bottom down here. Now do note one thing. I'm going to come over here. You see they're all 3 different lengths. The top one is the short one. The front one is the medium size one, and the bottom one is the long one. So do keep that in mind as you do that. In addition, in the front of the fairing are 2 of these little plugs. They have a technical term, but I don't know what they are. But anyway, there's 2 of those. I want to show you where they are. One of those little clips comes in that hole right here. The other little clip comes down about halfway, and you'll find it right there. I use this little tool, which has a fairly sharp point on it that lets me get in there, punch in the middle, and then those will just pop right out. As I took the panel off, it did offer some interesting resistance. So let me show you what I learned. As that panel comes off right now, I'm just going to set it aside. What I noticed is that there are 3 grommet holes. There's one on the side of the tank here. There's one here at the top, and there's one right here. Those have the little parts, as you can see inside like that, there's one right here, and the third one is somewhere on there. But anyway, those 3 grommet holes, you have to pop those out. Oh yeah, there's the other one, the black one right there, the gray one right there, and then this gray one right here. So they pull out gently so that you don't break the fairing, but they will come right out of those rubber grommets. So now we're going to take off the left fairing right here. I need my 4.5 millimeter. Now remember, this one, these are all 3 going to be different lengths. This is a short one, this is the medium one, and that's the long one down there. So let's take this off right here. There's a short one. Take the front one off here. This will be a medium length one. And then the bottom one here will be a longer one. Yes. And that's the longest of the 3 right there. We got 2 clips under here. That gives me the light under there I need. So I'm gonna push in the center of this one. Okay, I've got these 2 clips undone and the 3 screws. So now there's one here, and one right here. So got that one. Got those. Got this one, and this one. Okay, so let's see if we can get these fairings back over. Remember, there are 2 rubber grommets here and 1 rubber grommet where? Right here. So we got to get those on as we put this in position. I've got one down here. I'm going to put the 2 little plugs in. This one in place. Good. Then we'll get the top in place. Okay, it's got in place. So now we got to remember. So we've got a short, medium, and long. The top one is the shortest. Not tight yet. Front is the medium one, so it goes right here. And then the longest of the 3 will go right here. That one's tight, that one's tight, and this one's tight. So fairing is back in place. We have it installed, so now we're just looking at the bike with those installed, and I'm pleased, very pleased. So I hope what I ran into today will help you a little bit. If you have any other thoughts or anything that would make it easier that you could share with me or somebody else, be sure and drop something in the comments and let us know. We'll all learn from you too. Thank you.